Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase online banking, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an authorized user from accessing your Chase online banking? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove an authorized user in your Chase online banking anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably work with a lot of different virtual assistants, but sometimes they go their own way. So you need to make sure they don't have access to your Chase online banking. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase online bank dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my online banking, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to remove an authorized user from accessing your Chase online banking, here on the top blue menu, you're going to click on Account Management. Once you do that, you want to click on Access and Security Manager. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your authorized users you added. So you can see this one right here. And then in order to delete or remove an authorized user, here on the right, you're going to click on this downward arrow. Okay, once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click here on Remove. Okay, once you do that, you're going to get this warning that authorized user is no longer going to have online access to the account. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on the blue Remove User button. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that authorized user has been removed from my Chase online banking, so they no longer have access to review my data or make transactions through my online banking. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an authorized user from accessing your Chase online banking, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.